this way.
Don't fight.
No, it's on the youth. No throwing you. I'm not gonna throw you. I'm gonna throw.
Kasi makapal. Huh?
Wait, I need to put my zipper on. I need to put my zipper on so don't do it. Don't do it. Just do it like this and this. Do it. Want to do a snowball fight? Yeah, but do it. Let's make a snowman. No! Let's make a snowman, okay? Yeah. Okay, so we need a little ball. So first we have to make a little ball. Yeah. Just a little ball. Little ball. Now we just roll it. Yeah, we have to roll it. We have to make it bigger. I'm gonna make the fat one. I'm gonna make the medium-sized one. Huh? Make the medium-sized one. This one? Yeah, medium one. Let's just make a little snowman, okay? Okay. We're talking about the biggest one, right? Look at this. Huh? I'm almost ready. I'm almost not ready. So cold. But not me. Yeah, you're right. It's getting up all the snow. This is actually good stuff.
Siya na siya law es.
Kapos ako. Almost done. Look at that. Don't do it yet. Don't do it. I'm trying to help you. Okay. We just need to make it here. Let's make it nice and strong. And have it here. No, you have to help me roll it. And have it just help me roll it. Okay, I can do it by myself. Oh, so heavy. Yeah. Okay, I think that's good. I want to make it bigger. Oh no, don't do that. Well, I'm just going to do so much. I just make an angel. So big now. Yeah. I can't even roll it. Okay. I can help you. Just help me. I'm going to do it. No, just help me, okay? We got power. Let's get you. Mommy, do it. Okay, now we're going to go that way. Look, let me do this one. It's going to be hard. Okay, now this is good. This is good. Now we're just going to make a medium-sized one. Medium-sized. We're going to do medium-sized. You have to make the medium-sized.
Nakusyawi siya nga es.